Hello everyone, I came across this group of Peugeot 3008 accessories at AliExpress that could really upgrade Active and Allure models to GT line easily. These items links are listed in the description. You can find them there. This is, for example, the engine hood strip. Active models comes without it. You can add it easily. It's have 3M double tape sticker behind it. Just can stick it and it will be like GT, as you can see. It's just amazing. In AliExpress they have made many accessories to the 3008. This is for the exhaust. It's fake exhaust anyway, but as you can see, they made the chrome cover for it. There is two types actually of this cover. One which is just external cover, which you can stick to give it the chrome look that GT has. But there's also another type which actually replaces the whole piece. There is also this one if you choose to use the carbon fiber, sorry. As you can see, this one, it's a whole piece which you can replace the original plastic piece. It's not just a cover. It comes with these lines in the middle. I think the carbon fiber will not look good. If you would replace it, better to replace it with a chrome piece. This is before and after. You can also find its link in the description. You see how it comes, complete piece. This is higher quality one, if you know what I mean. Not just a cover which you can stick to. You have attachments, same as the original part. And this very important part which distinguish the Active model from other Allure and GT models, the chrome piece on the side doors. It's also available in AliExpress and can be easily attached. It's one of the most important pieces, of course. It's the same exhaust. Well, this one it's not on any of the models. I just found that they made lots of chrome accessories for all parts of the internal dashboard and doors and almost everything. I just bought the cup holders chrome, but the others I didn't find them attractive or that they will match really the interior. It was a bit off. As you can see here, it fits perfectly, but it doesn't really add much. This for the ceiling. This might look okay, especially on black. But other items I don't really recommend. Like for example this one, it looks a bit odd. And for some reason they made them only for left-hand drive car models. This one looks too much. So there's no a lot of such items like that. This small one might look beautiful, actually. I might try them for the air vents. This probably not. This also probably not for speakers. So let me guys know what you think about them in the description, and please subscribe. I need to get to at least 1000 subscribers, please. After in the end, of course, you have to add the GT, the GT badge on the back and on the sides of the car. There's 3 colors: black and bright silver and red. I like the black one. It's not exactly the same as the original GT, which you find from the factory, but this one with the red line looks okay. It looks even better than the original. So I recommend this one. There's much more accessories which you can find in AliExpress, which is amazing actually, how many parts they made for this car. You see the GT original one, it's much smaller. It has no backboard, or just the letters. Same on the sides. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.